What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the Honor smartphone in which do not disturb keeps turning on. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on sounds and vibration. Now in sounds and vibration, tap on do not disturb, and here you will see a scheduled button. So tap on this button to turn it off, and after turning off this button, the do not disturb keeps turning on issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then the next solution is check for software updates for your phone. So to check up for updates, open settings again, scroll down to the end and click on system and updates. Now click on software updates option on the top, and from here check for available update for your phone's software. So if your phone software is not updated, then update your phone software, and after updating the software, the do not disturb keeps turning on issue will be fixed. But after doing this, if you are still facing the same issue, then the last solution is reset all settings. So for that, open setting, and in settings scroll down and click on system and updates. Now here click on restart and then click on reset all settings. Now here again click on reset all settings option on the bottom of your screen to confirm. So when you will click on this option here, it will reset all your mobile settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after that, the do not disturb keeps turning on issue on your Honor smartphone will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.